Okay, so what's up guys? So here I'm gonna tell you about a book that really important for you. Have you ever feel that you are do something better than other, but there is no someone validate you, or maybe you stress about something about little thing that is not matter for you, but you stress about that until you overthinking. So if you feel like that, I have a recommendation book for you. This is the book. You can try, or you can try to read, or you can buy this book. There are so many online shops that sell this book. You can check with the price. It's cheap, not too expensive if you want. And the title is The Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fuck. This book is written by Mark Manson. So this book tells you so many knowledge about don't stress about little thing, or only focus on your dream or your target. This book is tell a lot of things about them. So this book said that we as a human has a limited emotion, where we have a limited capability in ourselves. So if we too many stress about little thing that no matter for us, we will get overthinking and we will burn out. So that we have to focus only in our target, so that we will not burn out easily. And then this book also said that we as a human, we don't need to care about what someone tell to us, like you are ugly, you are so stupid, or other things like that. Don't focus with someone say to you, but focus with your target. If someone say like that, just let it go, bro. Just say yeah, okay. If you say like that, I will show you the truth, just like that. And then this book is really made me become a better person right now. So you can try to read and then buy this book. The title is The Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fuck by Mark Manson. You can buy in online shop or something other. So guys, start from now. Please don't think or don't to be stressed with everything someone that says to you. For example, like you are ugly or something other. Don't think too much about that, and only focus with your dream, because what you do is your choice. So don't care about what someone said to you. So maybe that's all from me about this book, The Subtle Art of Not Giving Back. You can try to read and buy this book. So maybe that's all. Thank you so much, and see you guys.